Are you a professional in the aesthetics field looking to elevate your career? Consider becoming a licensed laser hair removal technician, a path that not only boosts your income but also expands your clientele. In this video, we introduce the role of a laser hair removal technician, a specialist who uses laser technology to effectively remove unwanted hair by targeting and damaging hair follicles. This ensures the hair does not grow back. As a technician, your responsibilities include consulting with clients to understand their needs and goals, providing essential pre- and post-treatment care, and ensuring treatments are carried out in a clean and safe environment. Safety is paramount, as improper use of lasers can pose risks. Therefore, comprehensive training in laser safety, covered in courses like those found at lasersafetycertification.com, is crucial. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into what it takes to succeed in this exciting career and how to comply with OSHA's safety regulations in the cosmetic laser field. Interested in becoming a laser hair removal technician? Here's what you need to know to get started on this rewarding career path. While there are no federal laws governing licensing for this profession, local and state requirements vary, so it's crucial to do your research. Begin by contacting your state's cosmetology organizations and cosmetology schools for guidance. Typically, you'll need to complete a specific number of classroom hours along with clinical practice. For example, in Arizona, technicians are required to complete 40 classroom hours, 24 clinical practice hours in laser hair removal, and an additional 24 hours in other light-based treatments. For national recognition, consider obtaining a Certified Professional Electrologist, or CPE, designation from the American Electrology Association by passing their annual exam. More information can be found on their website. Lastly, to legally practice in many states, you'll need to apply for a state license. Gain valuable experience by working in an esthetician's office or a similar facility that offers laser hair removal services. Considering a career as a laser hair removal technician? Wondering if it's worth the investment? Absolutely. With an average annual salary of nearly $56,000, becoming a laser tech not only promises a good living, but also positions you as a specialist in the fast-growing field of skincare. For those already in the cosmetology field, adding laser hair removal to your skill set can significantly boost your business, attracting more clients and expanding your services.